Let's start with this mother who was caught with 1.2 million in illegal substances during a traffic stop. On a rainy day in Ohio, law enforcement officers on routine patrol observed a Penske truck driving dangerously close to a semi-truck and speeding 10 miles over the limit. This prompted them to initiate a traffic stop, expecting a standard procedure. However, what unfolded was far from ordinary and revealed a shocking criminal enterprise. Troopers initially approached the truck driver with typical inquiries.
Is this your truck?
No, it's a rental.
A rental? Did you rent it?
Yes.
Okay, do you have the rental agreement and your license?
Yes.
That was also down there. I didn't want that to blow out.
No problem.
Can you do me a favor? Can you turn your headlights on?
Yes.
Also, be careful with how close you're getting to some of those other cars, okay? You got in behind that semi. You just go around them or back off of them. I don't want you to crash or anything, okay? Are you doing this for a company?
A company?
Yeah.
No, it's because I used to move things at other times, so that's why.
Okay. So, where are you taking the truck to?
It's going to come back.
The driver, who claimed the truck was rented for moving personal items, provided inconsistent information. She stated the truck was rented under a different name and mentioned plans to drive it back, despite being in the midst of a move. This discrepancy raised suspicions, leading the officers to scrutinize the situation further.
You're gonna do what now?
I'm gonna take one stuff and then come back and then.
Oh, so you're gonna use this truck again?
Yeah.
Okay. When did you rent this?
It was on Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Sorry.
This Wednesday?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Have you had any tickets or anything else?
No, nothing.
Okay. So do you work for a moving company?
No, I used to work.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't work.
You don't do that anymore? Because it looks like you rented it under this. Andrea.
Yeah, that was my company.
Okay.
Like I said,
so this isn't your company?
No.
What's in here right now?
It's just some sofas and my luggage. Just that.
Sofas and luggage? Okay. And it belongs to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I hear this a lot, okay?
Yeah.
And if you're doing it for pay, that's fine.
No, it belongs to me. It belongs to me.
All right, and then you're gonna. So why are you gonna drive the truck all the way back?
Because, like I say, I'm coming to move her here, and then I'll go back and then bring another stuff.
Okay. All right. Bear with me. Let me do some checking on some things, but that's why I have you stopped. Okay.
Yeah.
Here already. Where you been sleeping at?
At the hotel.
Oh, you slept at the hotel?
Yeah.
Okay. How many nights?
It's 2 nights.
You spent 2 nights in a hotel?
Yeah, no, one night, like I came on Wednesday, I slept in the hotel, and then yesterday I slept in the hotel.
Okay, all right, well bear with me for 1 second. I'm gonna check some things out and I'll be back with you, okay? All right, I'm just gonna leave that stuff up there for you,
no
okay?
problem.
All right.
They noted that the rental agreement didn't align with the driver's story, prompting them to call for backup to conduct a more thorough search of the vehicle. Upon inspecting the truck, officers uncovered a staggering $1.2 million worth of illegal substances concealed within.
Okay, no weapons on you?
No.
Is everything in that truck belong to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Just have you have a seat there, okay? No, you went after a different one. Holy shit! My God. Woo! Dude, yes! That's a big one. That's a lot of stuff, man.
The discovery was a significant escalation from the initial traffic violation. The driver was promptly taken into custody. During subsequent questioning, she admitted to transporting 50 kilos of drugs for a payment of $50,000. She revealed this was her first attempt at such a job and that her motivation was to earn money to support her family.
All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. You can't afford one can be provided to you at no cost by the courts. Important you understand that you do not have to talk to me without a attorney. Okay. You understand all that? Okay. Where is this going?
Copy to you. SP1742.
New York? New York City?
Yes.
And you want to deliver it?
Do you want to deliver it?
No, I don't want to do it. No. Oh, I was going to do it because they was going to pay me.
Okay. But you don't want to move this to New York?
Like,
For us.
To help you as well. It's not just us.
Obviously, if
I don't know.
Think about it. You got some time.
At the police station, the woman refused to cooperate further, expressing a preference for jail over continued interrogation. Her arrest led to serious legal repercussions. The discovery of such a large quantity of illegal substances in her possession will likely result in severe criminal charges, including drug trafficking and possession with intent to distribute.
What do you think you had? All of it?
That's what I think.
It may be. Okay. I believe a vast majority of it's going to be fentanyl. Were they paid you by the brick? Do you know how many you had?
I know I had 50.
Oh, well, it was more honest than I thought. The reason I say that is when we get, say, 50, the person usually thinks they have 25. They were told not to look at it, don't touch it, or anything like that. And in turn, they're just being ripped off on the transport. So, all right. Where did they pay you in advance, or are they paying you on conclusion of getting to there or back? Back.
Or how much, would you mind answering some questions for me about
No
it?
problem.
Okay. How much are you getting paid to do this?
Like 1,000 for you for each one.
1,000 each kilo? So you're getting $50,000
Yes.
to do this trip? In pesos or American money?
No, and American money.
$50,000.
Yes.
How many times have you done this trip before?
It was the first time.
First time. And you got caught by us?
Yes.
Okay. Like first time this far or first time moving down?
Like how far?
Like outside of Arizona, California?
No, this is like the first time this is the first time.
Okay. So they were going to give you 50,000. Is that their cell phone that's in the couch?
Oh no, that cell phone, it was my kid. One of my kids. How can I say it in English? Do you guys understand Spanish? Nobody?
A little bit.
He lost his phone and I think he put it in the sofa and I put that sofa in the.
Okay.
We just thought maybe you were being tracked. That's why I talked to you about that on the way back.
Was my kid's phone?
I didn't know whose phone it was, man.
Yeah, he has in Facebook and Instagram in his phone. You can see it.
Yeah. All right.
So that's his phone. That's my son's phone.
What you were just going to deliver that? Were they just going to give you the number when you got there?
Yeah, they were just going to call me because they don't call me. They just over there say you're going and we're gonna call you when you get there.
Did you know how much was in there?
50 kilos.
50 kilos. Did you put that in there or did somebody else put
I
it?
put it in there.
So you met the person in Phoenix or Tucson and got it?
Yes, and I just got it and I just put it right there and I just.
What were those bags covered up with? What was on top of the bags?
Right now, it was a blanket, I think. Yeah.
From a legal perspective, the woman's actions represent serious breaches of drug trafficking laws under the Ohio Revised Code. Specifically, Section 2925.03 addresses drug trafficking, which involves the illegal sale, distribution, or possession with intent to distribute controlled substances. For trafficking in large quantities, such as the 50 kilos found, it is classified as a first-degree felony with penalties ranging from 3 to 11 years in prison and a fine of up to $20,000, with possible escalation to life imprisonment for certain drugs, orders, and matters factors. Additionally, Section 2925.1 pertains to drug possession, and possession of such a substantial amount is typically charged as possession with intent to distribute, carrying penalties of 5 to 25 years in prison and a fine of up to $30,000, depending on the drug type and dose. All right, let's move to this next case where things might get even worse. On November 27, 2023, police officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a reported domestic dispute involving Nicole, who was accused of being intoxicated, vandalizing property, and assaulting her ex-husband, Troy. When the officers arrived at Troy's residence, they were informed that Nicole had caused significant damage to the apartment and had physically assaulted Troy. Troy described the incident, mentioning that Nicole had been drinking and was disruptive. According to Troy, Nicole had kicked him and acted aggressively, leading him to lock valuables in a safe and call the authorities.
What's going on?
My ex-wife, I'm sure you know her.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's wrecking my place. We came home from shopping at 5, and the stocking manager told her the wife's here. I go, oh shit. And she's up there breaking shit, drunk, and
Still right now?
yeah, I snuck out. She drop kicked me twice. And if I didn't get her all and snap her neck, she knew we were going to jail for her.
Okay.
Locked up everything I couldn't safe, sharp things.
Yeah.
Came down
Do
here.
you wanna pursue charges?
Yes, I wanted no trust on the cheat.
You said she pushed you?
She kicked me, side kicked me twice.
And she's your ex-wife?
Yeah, from like 3 years ago.
Okay.
To the house tree is that one right there.
This one right here?
No, that's for that one right
This one right here?
Yeah.
The
I'm gonna
3000,
leave right
is it
here.
3009?
Yeah.
Okay.
Upon arrival, officers attempted to speak with Nicole, who initially appeared uncooperative. Nicole insisted she had done nothing wrong and tried to explain that she was at Troy's home to discuss personal matters, including a recently inherited car and her father's health issues. She denied any involvement in property damage or physical altercations, although the officers noted an odor of alcohol on her person.
I don't know what's going on. I came and my ex-husband invited me here.
Okay. So, do you recall breaking anything?
No, babe. I
Kicking
did
him?
not. No, I would not do anything like that. I swear. I've always been honest with you.
Okay. So, we're trying to get in just now, and then you shut the door.
No,
After we were
I
saying
just
we were
didn't
talking.
know because I don't know where Troy went. And literally my dad's dying.
Who's Troy?
My ex-husband. I can show you. I just inherited a car. Like, I'm not lying. Like, my dad seriously had a heart attack.
Okay, no, I believe you. I believe you.
Like, I can show you. I just
I'm
inherited
gonna put
a
her
car. I just don't
gonna put her
know
in.
where my... Like, I just don't know what to do because where did Troy go? I can show you. I've been trying to watch the 49ers. They're not playing. But it's a real NPR station. I don't know what's going on.
Do you have any
like-
weapons or anything on you right now?
No.
You have any weapons? Do you mind if I pat you down real quick?
No. Well, you should have a female present.
See what? We don't have a female present.
Dude, I'm not doing anything. Like, I swear to God.
Okay, so he's saying otherwise.
Does he not want me here? Because I can
No,
leave.
he doesn't-
I
he
have
doesn't
my
want you.
bike. That's
So-
my bicycle. That model, the tires.
Thousands?
Just give me.
Did you break something inside?
No.
Okay.
And I would not lie to you
What
about
were you guys
that.
fighting about, Nicole?
We were not
You
fighting.
guys weren't fighting?
No.
You guys arguing?
No. He just randomly disappeared.
Throughout the encounter, Nicole's behavior became increasingly confrontational. She resisted the officers' attempts to conduct a pat-down search and argued about the treatment she was receiving. Nicole's insistence that she had not broken anything or assaulted Troy was met with skepticism from the officers who proceeded with the arrest despite her protests.
I have not even been able to get my phone. It's still charging. I tried to get him, like he wanted to be, what is it? It's like Federal Communications something. And he said, well, if you can't get me connected, it's like it's FCC or something. I said, well, they're not open until tomorrow. Like, what do you want me to do?
Okay.
And then he just left.
And
We
do
were
you,
not fighting. I did not break anything. I would tell you.
Do you recall kicking him or battering him in any type of way?
Whoa, no. I've never touched him. And I just came here because my dad was in the hospital. I was just assaulted. I'm not kidding. Not here. But that's why I was trying to see my ex-husband.
Okay, how much?
And I just
how much-
inherited a vehicle.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
What?
How much have you had to drink?
I don't drive.
No, I'm not saying that you're driving.
I
I'm
have
just
not
asking
drank.
you. I'm just asking.
I have not drank. I've had some melatonin, and I just want to go to bed.
I
and
can-
Now we're up in the room.
Okay, you don't have to lie, okay? I can smell the odor of intoxicants emitting from your person, okay? I can definitely smell that.
Well, is that illegal?
No, I'm just asking you.
I'm okay. If he doesn't want me here, then that's okay.
He definitely doesn't want you here.
Well, then I can leave. Is that okay? I have a vehicle. I have a secure place to go. I will not come here. If that's his intent, I will not violate that.
Okay.
So he's alleging that you kicked him.
I never did, and I would not lie that. I would not lie about that.
Well, I don't see why
I
he
never
would lie
did.
about that.
How did you get here?
I'm a very integral type of individual.
Okay.
And
how did you get here?
I got here because I got a phone call from a friend named Tito. I had recently inherited a LTD because his mother. It's a long story, but his mother passed away. The cousin had the LTD. They said,
What's an LTD? You're referring to a car?
It's a vehicle. I just got my ID. I got, and so he said, I'll give it to you for $300. I said, are you sure? Sure. So he said, by the way, do you know that your father had a heart attack? I said, what? And I had texted my mother, and then she didn't respond. She called me, and I said, oh my God. And my father actually underwent,
Nicole's resistance to arrest included physical resistance and verbal outbursts. She repeatedly questioned why she was being arrested and expressed frustration over the handling of her belongings. The situation became tense as she accused the officers of unfairness and demanded the return of her property, including her bicycle and personal items.
it's bypass surgery or something.
Okay.
And I didn't know any of this.
Okay.
And so they said, I'm not a neurotic person, but I don't have any immediate connections. I have no support here. And so they said, well, why didn't you go tell Troy and say, because he's friends with my father, and I just inherited this car. I don't know how to fix it. And so I came here and I said, I don't know how to fix the car. I don't know what to do. And it's strange that you both are knocking, because I'm a very honest person. If he wants me to leave respectfully, officers, I will. And I will not come back here.
Okay.
I've been a very honest person. Mr. White, Mr. Dinwoody, everybody can confirm that. And I'm not just saying that for names. I'm saying this for like a precedential type of thing. He never expressed that to me. He gets very angry when I play music, but he tells me, we'll play some music. I play music and then he gets mad.
So for now, just go ahead and push your hands behind your back. Cool.
What?
Push your hands behind your back.
What are you doing? Why am I getting arrested?
Nicole was ultimately charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest. Domestic battery in this context refers to the unlawful physical contact with a household member that causes harm or places them in fear of harm. Resisting arrest involves obstructing or interfering with law enforcement officers who are carrying out their duties.
I just have my bicycle. Why?
You said you had a phone?
Yeah, my phone.
Where's your phone at?
It's charging. Why am I getting arrested?
Where's your phone at?
Am I
can get it
under
for you?
arrest?
Yes, you are.
Why?
Where's your phone at? So I can get it for you.
My phone is charging on the laptop.
Laptop.
Why?
Just your phone and your bike is all you have here, Nicole?
What did I do?
Battery on a household member, Nicole.
I never assaulted him.
Okay.
It's not assault, it's battery.
I never touched
Nicole.
him.
Okay, he's claiming
Do you have anything else inside the apartment?
That's a fictitious thing.
Okay, we could talk about that in court, but that's his claim.
In court,
Nicole, do you have anything else in the apartment?
I have my bicycle, my Shimano tires, my GT Timberline, and you can go to the Bike Works. That is
That's
validated
not what I'm asking.
through a receipt. I have my backpack.
Okay.
I have my title. Can I show you?
Do you want to take all of that with you?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Hold on.
That's my property.
Okay.
No, I have done nothing.
I'm going to make sure you know what
For
it's like.
once,
Hold on.
I've never, I didn't. You're gonna arrest me on an allegation. You know it's not true.
I don't know that. Okay.
I am not a liar. I have never lied to you.
Despite her claims of innocence and objections to the process, Nicole was taken into custody. The officers documented the incident, including Nicole's physical resistance and her statements regarding the alleged charges. The legal process will now move forward, with Nicole facing charges based on the evidence and testimonies collected.
Like, how long am I going to be here?
Okay, get in the vehicle.
No!
Nicole, get in the vehicle.
I did nothing, dude.
Get in the
This
vehicle.
is not fair.
Watch your toe. Watch your foot.
Stop!
Watch your foot, Nicole.
Like,
telling you.
oh my God.
Okay, you're gonna get a resisting charge.
Wait, no, I'm
You're
asking.
gonna get a resisting
Can
charge.
You just
Get
tell
in the
me,
vehicle.
Like,
Get in the
what's
vehicle.
going to happen with my property?
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you
Please.
again. Get in the vehicle. Okay,
Can
you're getting a resisting charge.
No,
Yep.
What?
Yep.
No.
You're getting it.
No.
Yep.
All right, this woman was wild, but this is not the worst case. Just wait until you see this next one. On February 27th, 2023, the Pepin Police Department responded to a call at an apartment complex regarding a driver who had collided with a dumpster. Upon arrival, officers discovered that the dumpster had not only been hit but had also pushed into another vehicle. The driver, later identified as Michelle, was located at her apartment.
Hey, Michelle, got to talk to you.
Yeah?
What happened?
About what?
Well, your car's in the snowbank. There's tracks leading from the dumpster to your car. It's your blue car in the snowbank, right?
No, that's my car right there.
Right here, in the snowbank, Michelle.
Yeah, but dude, listen,
in
just
the
for a
snow-
second.
yeah.
Can I explain? This is how far they plow up.
Okay.
Plow up.
But the tracks from the dumpster go there, back, and come here. So you hit the dumpster. You hit the dumpster and went into Sue's car.
Okay.
So you're gonna have to pay damages. And I suspect you've probably been drinking tonight.
But dude,
Listen.
Okay, can
Just
I
let
say
me
something?
finish before you say anything.
Okay.
But because it's been over an hour, and it's private property.
Yeah.
But if you are continuing this, how many OWIs have you had? How many times have you had drunk driving arrests?
One.
How many? Just one?
Two.
Two, okay? So here, you know what happens when you start building them up. You
something?
need, you know what I'm going to tell you, right? You need to quit drinking.
But,
I don't, Michelle,
okay, let me.
did somebody drive your car and put it here?
Can I shut my door?
Yeah,
so the
shut your
guy
door.
won't get out
You don't,
in there.
so here's the deal.
Okay.
I'm giving you a lecture because I can't arrest you for drunk driving because of where this location is.
Yeah.
But you are going to have to pay for Sue's damages. I am going to do a crash report. You crashed into her car. Her car is damaged from the dumpster. That's a crash. Okay? Do you understand that?
I understand that, Jesse.
Okay.
I do.
Well, but if you didn't do it and your car's, there's a little ding on the front of your car, right?
Yeah.
This, yeah,
Okay.
I'm just telling you.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Well, are you going to deny? Because you know how I feel. You lie to me.
Jesse,
right.
I know.
Okay,
Honest to
okay,
goodness.
So start from the beginning. What happened?
Michelle appeared visibly distressed when officers made contact. She admitted to consuming alcohol earlier in the day and underwent field sobriety tests at the scene. The tests were complicated by Michelle's medication, which affected her balance. Despite this, she failed the sobriety tests, raising concerns about her level of impairment.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
Me?
Yeah.
How much have I drink? Okay, I had one Bloody Mary at noon, one Bloody Mary at 2, another Bloody Mary at maybe 4. Then I quit drinking Bloody Marys, and we went into 6 string, and I had a couple beers. We had fish tacos at 63. That bar right on 63 that has food and stuff.
Okay.
Not the chicken place, the other one.
Okay.
60. Anyways, and then we went from there, having fish tacos at
All right. So we got to do some field sobriety. And we can do it in the apartment because right? That easier.
That's fine, whatever you want.
Yep. So
But I just want to understand. I'm not driving my vehicle right now. I'm not in my vehicle. There's no keys in my car. So what's the point of the field sobriety?
are you saying you weren't driving the car?
No, I'm asking you what's the point
Because
of the field
you
sobriety?
had a accident. You crashed into the dumpster and hit another car, Michelle. So that is drunk driving. It's like going in the ditch and walking home. You had
You know what? I believe you, but I need to go out there and see what apparent damage I caused.
We can do that afterwards.
We'll do that after.
No, we can do it now.
Then I'll do the field sobriety outside in the parking lot in front of everybody. I'm trying to be
Let's
nice
do
to
it.
you,
We can
Michelle.
do it outside in the parking lot.
Okay,
in
I'm
front
trying
of
to be
everybody.
nice to you so you don't have to be standing out there going.
I understand that, but Jesse, honest to
Okay,
goodness.
we'll show you.
Let me put my shoes on.
Yep,
and we'll
put your
walk
shoes
out
on.
there and I can
Put your
see
shoes
what
on.
I apparently did, because I don't know what you're talking about, and I think I have a right to know what you're
Well,
talking about.
we told you we'd show you.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go see.
Put your shoes back on.
I am. Can I get?
She's gonna get her other shoes.
Those are slippers.
Yep.
Okay. I'm
Which
sorry.
might cause me to be a little off, and I
Yep.
don't want that.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I'm getting real
Got it.
shoes.
Okay. You can stop, Michelle. Okay, come back here. Oh, hold your head still, Michelle. All right. One more.
Michelle's breathalyzer test recorded a blood alcohol concentration back of 0.15%, significantly above the legal limit of 0.08%. Although the incident occurred on private property, which initially precluded immediate arrest, Michelle's behavior and evidence indicated intoxication. Consequently, she was later charged and convicted of operating while intoxicated OE, marking her third offense. Michelle was sentenced to 55 days in jail and fined over $1,800. In addition to the jail time and fines, she was required to arrange for a sober individual to pick her up from jail or wait until her back dropped below the legal limit for release. This stringent penalty underscores the seriousness of repeat offenses in drunk driving cases.
Let you get your purse, and then Trinston's going to take you up for that blood test, okay? And then to Duran, yep.
And then what?
And then you'll probably have to bond out because it's their defense. So it's good to take your purse and your phone and that stuff so you can call somebody then. And who did you want to? Whose door do I need to knock on to get somebody to check on your dog for you? I know which one. Because we can get that ball rolling for you.
6, but I'd like to talk to her.
Okay.
The one neighbor has
Number
her dog
6.
already.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has her dog.
Oh,
already.
she's got your dog.
Yep.
Number
We
6
should
has your
probably
dog.
just tell
Okay,
her
Michelle, step out.
Probably just tell her that she's gonna have to watch her.
Yeah.
Okay, so after I do all this,
You can bond out.
yeah, who's gonna bring me home?
You're going to have to figure that out if you.
Yeah, you
Is
need
what?
You need a sober party to come and get you.
Would you like me to do the breathalyzer again? Because I can.
Michelle, you're at 1.5. You're not sober right now. Okay, I'm just telling you.
By myself.
That's.
Over here.
Hold on.
No,
Okay.
he said I could.
Get her purse.
I'm sorry.
Get her purse.
I forgot. You don't.
Michelle was charged under the statutes for operating while intoxicated OE as outlined in Chapter 346 of the Wisconsin statutes. Specifically, Section 346.63 addresses operating a vehicle under the influence of an intoxicant with a legal back limit of 0.08%. Given that this was her third OE offense, Section 346.65 applies, which imposes stricter penalties for repeat offenders, including higher fines and longer jail sentences. Michelle's back of 0.15% indicated severe impairment, significantly affecting her driving ability. The legal system's stringent measures in her case underscore the commitment to deterring habitual drunk driving and enhancing public safety.